everyone. It's me and Juju. Say hello. We haven't seen you in a long time. We're recording our Curious George Boofest book this season, October 2022. All right. Who's that?
It's monkey.
It's George the monkey. Curious George.
A pumpkin.
A pumpkin. And we're going to read. It says, a good boo is a big part of Halloween. It's spooky, silly, fun. Here how it's done. Look at the monkey. He's ready to do the boo. Find somewhere to hide. Make sure they can see you. And when they least expect it, you leap out with a boo. You see? How fun. Everyone in costume. You don't know who it is until somebody shocks you by shouting a boo. You see? How much fun. It's spooky for a moment, but then it's funny too. When a silly, sneaky friend pops out and holler, boo.
Spider.
It's a spider. That is a little scary. Just popping by and saying boo. If one boo can be fun, can you imagine two? Grab a friend and jump right out and do a double boo.
Mommy.
You see? That's a double boo.
Daddy.
Yes, that's the banana. Now you really got it. You know just what to do. Put on your favorite costume, get ready and say boo. Get ready and say boo. You see? Oh, there it is. Well, guys, we hope you have a happy Halloween.